A protest was held in front of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee KPCC office on Queen's Road, Bengaluru, strongly condemning the remarks made by Madhya Pradesh Tribal Affairs Minister Kunwar Vijay Shah against Colonel Sophia Qureshi, a distinguished officer of the Indian Army and a proud daughter-in-law of Karnataka. The protest was led by former Jayanagar MLA and President Karnataka State Mahila Congress Soumya Reddy along with several party members and supporters. Soumya Reddy expressed deep anguish over the recent attempts to malign the reputation of Colonel Sophia Qureshi by associating her with terrorism. She termed the remarks not only unfortunate but also dangerous, highlighting the underlying mindset of the BJP which, according to her, is detrimental to national unity. Colonel Sophia Qureshi is not just a brave officer serving the nation, she represents a family legacy of military service. To label such a woman as the sister of terrorists is not just misogynistic but also anti-national, Reddy said. She further added that the BJP has been consistently attempting to divide society on the lines of caste and religion. Referring to the recent Puncharwala remark made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Reddy said such language reflects a deeper agenda of social polarization. It's typical BJP politics, divide and rule, she asserted. The protest called for greater respect for women in uniform and urged political leaders to refrain from making inflammatory and divisive statements, especially against those who have dedicated their lives to the service of the nation. The protesters also demanded the resignation of Minister Kunwar Vijay Shah for his derogatory remarks against Colonel Sophia Qureshi.
Since 2 weeks, we have been seeing what's happening in the country. An attack happened in our own country by terrorists in Pahalgam, and Operation Sindoor happened. All of us, stood with the army, and we had the Tiranga Yatra as well. But unfortunately, what happened yesterday was a minister in Madhya Pradesh, spoke about Colonel Sophia Qureshi, saying that the country, she's a sister of the terrorists. And it's very, very, very unfortunate that this really shows the mindset of BJP and the RSS. She has been proudly serving the nation as an officer from the young age of 15. Not just her grandmother, fought for with Rani Lakshmibai as well. And she's a proud daughter-in-law of Karnataka. And this is not the first time BJP is doing it. They trolled the wife of Himanshi Narwal, who spoke about, unity. They trolled Vikram Misri, the foreign secretary, who announced ceasefire. And basically, this is not just against women, it's against the unity of the country. It's basically against the Indian Army as well. So this kind of mindset is something that needs to be, vanished. And we are basically come here to protest on behalf of Mahila Congress. And this minister has to be immediately removed. And such kind of mindset is not going to be tolerated.
Ma'am, do you think, are they going to remove, because Prime Minister Modi recently in his statement, he said, as Pancharwalas to our Muslim community. Can you expect that?
It's very, very unfortunate that the Prime Minister himself is talking about these things. BJP is known to use religion and caste to divide the country. People are watching, and what goes up has to come down. And the downfall of the Modi government has started, because you can see that unfortunately Trump had to intervene, and he had to pressurize for ceasefire. And basically they're saying that India and Pakistan are at the same level. The GDP of Tamil Nadu is much more than Pakistan. So after going and hugging all the ministers, all the prime ministers, including Trump, for the past so many 11 years, what's the point? So clearly it's a massive failure of the Prime Minister and the BJP central government as well. We are also seeing that the Godi media, what they've been doing in the past 2 weeks as well, it's extremely upsetting. Media has a huge responsibility to show, the facts, to stay neutral and to ensure that they speak up. So people are seeing, people are watching, if not conventional media, through social media, people are criticizing and sharing the truth and facts as well.